Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can downgrade your WordPress version. So once you have logged into your WordPress dashboard, after that, go to the plugins and then click on add new. Now go to search and then here search for WP downgrade. Now scroll down and this is the plugin WP downgrade. Now click on install now. After that, click activate. After install the plugin, hover over the settings and then go to the WP downgrade option, WP downgrade versions. So this is the current version in my site. So exact version number from WP release. So just click on right click and then open a new tab. So now we can see the all version of WordPress and then we can choose the which version we want to downgrade. So let's see, we are going to downgrade 6.5 or we can go 5.7. Just click on that and let's see, we are going to downgrade 5.77. Just copy the version number and then go back to our WordPress. Now paste the number and then click save change. Now on the bottom just click on up downgrade core. Now click on reinstall. Now it will take a few moments and there you go. So right now our WordPress is 5.77 version. So that is the way you can downgrade your WordPress version. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.